Hello everyone, so this is your host and your English ka dost Vineet Kapoor, and as you know we are running a series of question and answer sessions. Now what we are doing through this, actually we are giving you content. आपका काम क्या है? You need to practice. आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है, and if you don't practice you don't get, you only get the content but you want to speak in English, practice it. Okay, आपको मैंने पिछली बार एक असाइनमेंट दिया था, क्या आपने किया? अगर किया तो बहुत अच्छा है। और आपको सारे हमारे असाइनमेंट्स कहां देने हैं? या तो YouTube में कमेंट सेक्शन में, या जो हमारा Facebook का ग्रुप है उसमें जाकर। ओके, चलिए, एनी गेसेस? आज हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? कुछ पता चला? आइडिया लगा? यस, वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट एम्बिशन। एम्बिशन की हम 2 क्लासेस लेंगे क्योंकि ये बड़ा टॉपिक है, इसके बारे में आपको आना चाहिए, इंटरव्यूज में बहुत पूछा जाता है। सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज एक्चुअली आई हैव डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 सेगमेंट्स। ओके, पहले सेगमेंट में मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कैसे आंसर देने हैं, और दूसरे सेगमेंट में हम आपको आंसर देंगे। तो वो सेशन हम अगली बार के लिए रखेंगे, लेकिन आज बात करते हैं बेसिक चीजों के बारे में। ओके, एंड आई विल आस्क यू सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस, यू नीड टू आंसर मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन और इन द चैट बॉक्स। हियर वी गो। ओके, बिफोर वी प्रोसीड, दिस इज आवर कोर्स, a bundle of 7 courses. We give a lot of things along with these courses: videos, PDFs, assignments, activities like video making, talk room and whatnot. Okay, want to know more about it? Just give us a message on 96483 This is our WhatsApp number, and no calling please. Okay, you can purchase the course at bit.ly/English Blueprint Bundle. Okay, चलिए अब बढ़ते हैं कैटेगरीज की तरफ। देखिए, सबसे पहले तो हम यह तय कर लेते हैं कि आप कर क्या रहे हैं, व्हाट इज योर एंगेजमेंट। डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दैट विल गिव यू द आंसर। ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, टेल मी how many of you are students here? So if you are a student, just write I'm a student. If you are a businessman, write I'm a businessman. You can write I'm an entrepreneur. Okay, and if you are already working somewhere, means you are a professional, you can write that. Okay, you can be a housewife also, and for everyone we have given you certain ways actually to speak about ambition. Okay, here we go. Yes, so let's talk about category. So the first category is students. You can be a student, you can be a working professional. How many of working professionals are here? Let me know that. Okay, you can be a business person. So for business persons also we have given that, and of course general. Now in this general actually everybody comes in. So you might be a student, working professionals, business person, housewife, or anyone. Okay, so based on that actually we have tried to guide you how to talk about ambition. Okay, here we go. So let's take them one by one, category wise description. Let's take a student first of all. So if you are a student, how would you say? Okay, your ambition can be cracking exam, your ambition can be getting admission in maybe top engineering college in India, or maybe to get admission abroad, yeah, or maybe to get admission in a reputed college abroad, wherever. Okay, secure rank in a school, college exam, that of course can be your ambition. So if you are in class 7, class 8, you don't know about it, like what I'm going to do after maybe 5 years, 6 years, but yes, I know this year I'm going to secure a good rank there. Okay, that can be your ambition, whatever. So you need to speak about that. Yeah, here we go. Let's come to the second one. For working professional, how would you say and what would you say? Okay, you want to get promotion, talk about that. Yeah, okay, you want to get a job in a reputed company maybe. Okay, so when you go for an interview, you not tell it directly, but indirectly you can tell when they'll talk about your career related questions. We'll do a series on that also. Okay, your career related questions and answers when you go for an interview. So we will talk about this later on there. Okay, okay, like we said this, or you can say to be a dash 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 in this company. You can talk about your post also here, or ultimately you can say to be the best salesperson, to be the best teacher in my college, to be the best performer this year in my organization. You can speak like this. Is it so? Okay, if you have something different in mind, then you can write in the comment section. Okay, great. Okay, so let's come to the third category. If you are a business person means businessman or a businesswoman. So your target, your ambition can be to be the best in my niche. So remember one thing, this actually is pronounced as niche or niche. That simply means that area where you are working. Okay, that is called your niche or niche. Okay, remember that. To increase revenue by this percent. So when you increase revenue, that means you are earning. आपकी जो टोटल इनकम है उसको आप इतने परसेंट से बढ़ाना चाहते हैं. यूज बाय हियर. और यू कैन से हाँ टू एक्सपैंड बिजनेस टू न्यू मार्केट्स. आप नई मार्केट में जाना चाहते हैं. एक्सपैंड मैंने फैलाना, आप उसको फैलाना चाहते हैं. या your ambition can be this. And if you are a housewife or any general person, you can have a lot of ambitions, like you want to be a public speaker. Okay, you want to be a fluent speaker of English. How many of you really want to be a fluent speaker of English? Just write here, I want to be a fluent speaker of English. Please write in complete sentence, don't write in phrases or words. Okay, here we go. To be a social worker. Okay, you might want to become a social worker. Or last, to be a writer, YouTuber or educator. Okay, you can also write creator, a YouTube creator. Yeah, that's great. How many of you want to be a YouTube creator, by the way? Write it down there. Okay, so this is actually, we have given you a graph of that. Now we'll go to one-liners. How to say that? Okay, we'll take off two categories and then in the next session we'll give you the sample answers. But let's go to these categories first of all. Okay, so the first thing that you might be saying is, I want to get through this. Now get through means किसी चीज से पार होना यानी पास होना. तो आप जब किसी चीज को पास करते हैं, get through some competitive exam and all that, so you speak like this. Okay, or I want to secure a rank. Secure माने प्राप्त करना, पाना. Okay, or you might say, I want to crack this exam this year. Okay, I want to crack whatever your exam is. Like you want to crack NEET. So you can write, I want to crack NEET in. So you don't want to write exam, you can skip that. So I want to crack NEET in 2021. Okay, whatever your ambition or goal is, you can write it down here. Yes, I want to take or get admission in this college. Like you can say, I want to get admission in IIT. Yeah, you can speak that. How many of you want that? Keep speaking, that's very important. Okay, and the next is, I want to be. Now here actually most of the people commit mistake. I want this, they speak. No, say I want to be a doctor. I want to be a banker. I want to be a social reformer. I want to be a government employee. Whatever it is, I want to be an IAS officer. So remember this and you should practice it a lot. You commit a lot of mistakes here. You can also speak like this. My ambition is to be a, same statement in this structure. My ambition is to be a doctor. My ambition is to be an advocate. Okay, you can speak like this. Yeah, let's take one more category. Okay, so this time we'll be talking about professionals. So how professionals can say, I want to get to the position of GM by 2023. Okay, or you want to say, I want to get promoted to this position. You can speak like this. Your ambition can be this, I want to work for a multinational company or XYZ company. You can even give the name of the company or company like this. Okay, you can name the company. I want to become this by का मतलब होता है तक. Okay, मैं ये बन जाना चाहूंगा. Or you want to say, I want to start my own business. I want to start a new company. Isn't it so? And this is easy. But you know what? These are still one-liners. Okay, now what I want you to do is complete this assignment. Okay, now when I come into the next session, I would like to ask you, what did you write? So you need to write what is your ambition and you need to write in 2 or 3 lines, not in 1 line, 2 or 3 lines in our next session. Okay, so next session is going to be more fun and of course there will be more content because I'll explain everything. Okay. This is our course, a bundle of 7 courses. Anything you want to know about it, just write us a line on 96483 course details and we'll give you the detail. You can buy the bundle at bit.ly/English Blueprint Bundle. Okay, yes, and you want to know about my social media addresses? Follow me there on Insta, on YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, everywhere. This is our new Facebook group. Please do follow us there and you can write your answer there as well. I ask questions there as well. Okay, thank you so much friends. Hope you liked it. आपको मजा आया होगा. ओके, और अगर मजा आया तो आपने करना क्या है, बोलना जरूरी है। नेक्स्ट सेशन तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।